Today's project is doing the roof, doors and some trunking for the new cables that's going to go through. So let's just start doing rub the roof down this morning, just putting the primer on. I've been sort of tacking on the inside of there, is all corroded badly, so renewed the bolts, sorted out the door latch, made a new tube up for the guide, took down the top runner, which was heavier than we thought it would be. So all that's going to be rubbed down. It's taken back to the original yellow. All this is going to be rubbed down. That's a solid steel plate in there. We thought it was just crap, it was steel plate. So we put in the junction box. You can see up there with the lights, new conduit going in, which is going to be run down the side, across into there. The new junction box for the lighting's gone in. So all the conduit's going to be connected up, all the cables put through, all that down there. The new control box inside the engine, new cover made, fitted. So she's getting there a bit at a time. It's been a pretty busy morning really. So basically we've got to take all the dents out of there, rub this top bit round, that bit down there, all that round inside and out, and right back down through to the doors. She's I'm just going to fill this dry in now. We're just going to rub that down, put another coat on there, get a bit of angle there and do that bit there, it needs doing. So she's repaired right from there to there now. So it's taking shape.
Oh, look at this.
Yeah. Right. Okay.
On the roof painted, rubbed down, rust gone. Yeah.
Yeah, she's getting there now.
Yeah. Undo back.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, there's a lot of work gone into this so far really. I'm going to patch that there. That's one patch, internal patch. I'm going to finish off where that mark is there to there. So that's going to be rubbed down now. Plated all the inside of there. So that's stronger than it was originally. So I forgot my compressor today to blow off all the dust, but I remembered my welder. Forgot that, but the door catches are working fine now. But she's getting there. Our main obstacle has been weather really, but she's looking good. Yeah, put a little tube in there to take to weld another bit of I think it was just 10mm bar onto that bit. Kept the original, drilled all out, put a new pin in, so the doors all closed properly now. But this runner, it's a bit of a shock really. She's a lot heavier than I thought. It's actually metal plate on the inside of that. You can see it. So that makes it a lot heavier than originally. So we're going to come up with a plan now. We've got some staging coming. We're going to be ready to put the doors back on because there's going to need 3 of us, I think. because the bottom runner's been refurbished, new rollers. As I say, that's going to be done, and I think it's going to take 3 of us to put the doors back on the back. But the engine's going to be finished washed out yet and painted, and basically from the back of the cab to here will be painted out. So it's still a fair bit to do. I reckon she's 2/3 done. Hopefully it'll be well on by the end of July, but unfortunately the weather, the drizzly wet rain we've had hasn't helped for painting. But by the time we've done the welding and the rewiring and whatever, the weather will be good for painting. But that's it for now. Probably very warm. We're on the Heritage Park. The 2 pit heads there, Trevor and Bertie. And a chimney there built in 1892. So it's well worth a visit. But till next time.